Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to order a new Stash debit card. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of bonus stock. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Bank. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Account Management. Click on Account Management. Now, under Manage Card, you will see an option for Replace Card. Click on Replace Card. First, select the reason for replacing your card. Select whether card lost, card stolen, or card damaged. Next, confirm the residential address where you'd receive the replacement card. If you're going to use a different address, enter it on the fields provided. And if everything looks good, click on Continue. Now your card is on process, and will arrive within 5 to 7 business days. That's how you order a new Stash debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.